Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show how to easily change the pose in photo using Pippit AI. So first, Pippit AI is an AI tools that can help you to create any AI content like AI talking photo, avatar videos, product showcase, AI videos, or edit photos, and many more. And if you want to try these tools, you can just click the link in the descriptions and pin comment to access this tool. And so first to change the pose in the photo, first just open your Pippit AI like this and then go to the image studio and then next just tap on AI designs and then in here just upload the photo that you want to edit the pose. For example this one, and then next just type your prompt. Just describe your post that you want to create. For example, maybe in here I want to make a post like this. Change the pose to arms crossed on chest. For example, like this. Confident posture. For example, like this. And then next just choose your AI model and then resolutions and this ratio. And after that just tap on submit and wait for a moment. And okay, like this you will get the results like this, and I think it's so cool. And the pose is so natural like this from the photo that looks like this into the photo that has a different pose like this. I think the result it looks so good. And okay, maybe you can just try this tool as you like. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.